Hi all, welcome to our channel. So this is regarding for particular option name is called using into the multiple videos in making a one video purpose. Which software we can use in here? There are number of softwares are there. I'm selecting one of the YouTube channel. I am fit.in. In this YouTube channel, how we can making for multiple videos into one video option. There is a purpose we can using for two softwares. One is called Easy Video Maker, but ED video maker up to 5 minutes will be free. If more than 5 minutes, you can go to the option will be here. Second one is called Canva.com. I'll show you simple one how to making a video with the Canva without using any softwares. In a Canva, go to here, video option. There is option name is called here, video. Select the first position. What are the video you have select the first four videos will be here. Select the four videos and upload by the Canva option. So this video will upload by the Canva first of all will be mandatory. Without uploading Canva videos, we can't do any particular video will be added on the particular Canva option. So first thing, there is a videos is uploaded by will be here one by one. Next, second video. And third video. Final one is called fourth video. Final one is called here. There is option will be in this contact. Your number will be added by here. Last one, we can add option name is called subscribe our channel is a main part. We can add will be here. So that will be added. So in this, everything will be perfectly done. Select here, add your one music option. What are the music you have added by the music? So in this adding time, you will add any kind of text will be here. So in this videos are here. So videos based on the seconds. This will be seconds will be uploaded here. Wait for upload the complete videos. So here is the videos option. Here is the video 16 seconds, 17 seconds, 15 seconds, and 16 seconds. Here based on the videos, you can upload will be here. The main option is called go to here. The main thing is called update the logo. Logo main reason updating for nobody can copyright your video purpose. So here we can add the logo here. So logo is happening for particular option will be mandatory fill. So after this one, click for share video. It is download will be MP4 format. Without uploading proper video, the video we can't download will be here. This video we can using for social media purpose, YouTube purpose, anything will be particular will be helping. So uploading time, your compulsory arrow will be there into starting stage, download, and click for download the video. Here one more option is there. You can go download. Select will be here. Only one video you can select. Select it and download. Individual video also we can download and multiple video we can download will be edited option. Here uncheck page 2 and download the video. What are the options you have? Everything you can download by the particular things. So whose options you can download from the Canva that you using for the particular name is for YouTube purpose and the social media purpose. This we can use and upload these videos on the particular business purpose. Any video, don't add the website link, only add the logo. People will search from the Google, they come into your website. Any particular question about Canva video making purpose, so customize is not possible. We have to use another software name is called Easy Video Maker. There is a simple one, Easy Video Maker. Select it. We can club the all videos and make the video with your music option. So here, video, video line. Next, we can go to subscribe option or call button option. Here, one thing you have to remember, this music will be mute yourself by the audio file option. Existing video file, mute your compulsory you can do by the a particular option. There's a purpose. Here is the mic symbol will be disable it. Go to this, select the music option in this. So what are the music you can add it? That will be added will be here. Music adding will be more important for the particular feature. After this one, we can click for export the file option. So this two step we can follow the making a video purpose. Any particular doubts, ask me to my channel. I definitely will be supported. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.